In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to inactivate and reactivate shifts on your schedule. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected so you have schedules to work with. Then click on Schedules. Once you arrive at your list of schedules, click on the schedule you would like to activate or inactivate. Next, go to your new top menu bar and click on Shifts. You should now arrive at a list of shifts for that schedule. You can choose to select all of the shifts or one or anywhere in between. Let's say that I want to inactivate shifts for the later part of this schedule because I'm not done with that part yet, but I need the earlier part of the schedule to go out to my employees. I can select those shifts one at a time. Let's say that it's just these last 2 days I'm still working on. Then I can go and click on Update at the top of the chart and choose Inactivate from the bottom of that menu. TeamWork 5 is going to ask me why I want to inactivate those shifts. If I click on this arrow, I can choose between any of these options provided. Let's say slow for now. If I don't want to do this, I can choose close. I do, so I'm going to select submit. And now those shifts have been inactivated. When you inactivate a shift, your employees cannot see those shifts. Shifts that are inactivated appear in gray in your list so that you are aware they're not active. If I want to reactivate them because I'm ready for the employees to view them, I can click on those shifts again. Then click on Update and choose Reactivate. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to do that. If I don't, I can hit Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now those shifts have been reactivated. And if this schedule was published, employees would be able to view it. If the schedule isn't published yet, don't worry, your employees can't see anything. And that's how you can inactivate and reactivate shifts in your schedule. Check out the next video to learn how to put shifts on the swap board and how to approve those shifts.